Quantum microwave radar technology is poised to redefine how we perceive the invisible world surrounding us. In military applications, this technology promises unmatched precision and stealth detection capabilities, offering an edge in surveillance and target acquisition. Experts like Dr. Michael Fusco from the MIT Lincoln Laboratory emphasize its advancements in non-invasive imaging, which could enhance sectors like aviation and environmental monitoring. Innovators like Quantum Radar Solutions are pioneering these systems for weather forecasting, providing early warning systems for severe storms with increased accuracy. This emerging technology signifies a leap forward in data acquisition, shaping a future where precision and safety coalesce, setting it apart from traditional radar systems and its potential to transform industries.